By the way, the ship itself is cashless. That's part of how people can rack up a big bill with their onboard expenses. You're not actually pulling out your credit card or paying cash every time you buy a cocktail or a spa massage or whatever. It all goes on your room, and at the end, you pay it all once with a credit card. On land, once you get off the ship, you're going to be in a cash society. And I've talked to a lot of cruisers who say, well, we're only in that country for one day. I'm not going to bother getting cash. That works better in some places than in others, and local merchants often really prefer local cash. And some places now are really requiring local cash. They won't take anything but local cash. So just find an ATM. That's another big feature of our cruising guidebook. We've identified the ATM that's closest to each cruise port. And keep it safe in a money belt. You probably know, if you're a Rick Steves fan, the money belt is a cloth pouch that you wear under your clothes. It's where you keep your passport, your credit cards, large denominations of money. There are a lot of pickpockets in a lot of popular cruise destinations. Barcelona, Rome, Florence, Venice, St. Petersburg. I just named not only the most popular cruise destinations, but the most popular pickpocketing destinations. Keep your goods safe in your money belt. Or in some cases, if it's something you really won't need in port, if you've got a lot of cash for some reason, leave it on the safe in the ship so you don't have to worry about it.